Hello friends, today we will discuss an important writer, feminist, critic, novelist, essayist, Virginia Woolf, the most important modern 21st century writer of England, Virginia Woolf. She was the pioneer in the use of stream of consciousness as a narrative device. She was born in an affluent family in England. Although she wasn't sent to school and she was homeschooled, she studied Victorian literature and classics, and her studious character was founded by her father, and he sent her to Ladies Department King's College from 1897 to 1901. She studied there classics, history, and came into contact earlier women reformer and women rights movement. So she was encouraged by her father and she began writing fiction in 1900, and she had published her first novel The Voyage Out in 1915, and back to back she published her best known novels. Those are Mrs. Dalloway, The Lighthouse, The Orlando in 1925, 27 and 28. We will discuss an important essay of the Virginia Woolf, that is A Room of One's Own. It was published in 1929. This essay explains her experience and her delivered talk of the two different colleges, and she was guest there as a chief speaker, and topic was women and fiction, and it is written in her essay A Room of One's Own. Here she has three fictitious characters: Mary Beaton, Mary Seton, and Judith Shakespeare. She explains about Mary Beaton. Mary Beaton was reading in Oxbridge University, and she wants to roam in the university campus, but she was denied by scholars, God, because woman has some limitation. So she experienced bitterly. When she entered the library, she found that many literature were written by only men, and that those are regarding the inferiority of the woman and superiority of the man. So she thinks women should write, and Virginia Woolf used metaphor in this essay, A Room of One's Own, and here she says that every woman should have money and a room if she wants to write fiction, and that is must be her own. And she explained the character Judith Shakespeare. Judith Shakespeare is sister of Shakespeare in this fictitious story, and Judith Shakespeare had also same qualities, talent, capacity, skill according to Shakespeare, but she hasn't had any opportunity, permission to write like Shakespeare, like his plays, his dramas, his novel. So she have to suicide, and she killed her all types of talents, writing skill, qualities, and she became dead. So here Virginia Woolf claims that every woman should revive, relive, Judith Shakespeare for their empowerment, for their rights, and every woman should fight for to write literature and fiction and for higher education by getting money and house or home of their own. So this is an affluent and well families experience of the Virginia Woolf. Now we should think about what the experience, what's the suffering, what the sorrow of the untouchable woman, what the sorrow of the backward community woman, what the sorrow and painful experience of the slave woman of India or of an American African woman. We can think about Alice Walker and white slave girls. So every man should encourage, motivate their women, their sisters, mothers to get education and write fiction and work for their rights. So that's all about today's motivation. Thank you so much.